A Day in the Life as Indie OPM Artist, my gig edition. This is the third part of our series. If you like chaos and music, tara na. Welcome to the Philippines. Traffic na naman sa Makati. Pero okay lang yan, nakarating din kami sa backdoor ng 8:35 p.m. Everyone's here and rushing kasi 9 p.m. yung start ng set. So yan, rush muna kami sa pagkuha ng mga gamit. Double check muna ng lahat. Tapos pasok na tayo. Sobrang kulit lang sa backdoor kasi literal na nasa likod lang siya. And parang backdoor ka lang tayo pumapasok. They have a lot of records and it's really small and cozy. Perfect for intimate gigs. So ayan, hi muna kay Louise. Sound check will be starting soon. So let's go! First time namin to mag-full set kaya medyo nakakakaba pa, but kudos to the band. They all make it worth it. Paswabe muna tayo dito sa gilid habang soundcheck. We have 3 sets for this gig and 18 songs overall. We have 6 originals, so majority of it were covers. Naparap tuloy ako sa iba. Change career na ba? Charot. We did play on with a lot of classics too. Wala eh. Can't help it. It's a guilty pleasure. Magpo-play naman tayo to end the first set. Yun no, sarap talaga tugtugin. Next time na lang yung pag-post ng full cover para mabitin kayo.
First set done. Nanginginig ako.
Sobrang nakakabaman pero sobrang fulfilling pa rin pagtapos. May 2 sets pa pero break muna tayo. Promotin pala namin yung art ni Nero PNG. Ayan, please check out his work. Sobrang ganda.